Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Chrysler 300 key battery. This is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. You will only need two items, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 3-volt battery. Having these ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, find the small mechanical latch on the back of your key fob. Slide this latch sideways and then pull out the emergency key. Once the emergency key is removed, insert your small flathead screwdriver into the now empty key slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. This should open it without causing damage. Now that your key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its holder. Be careful not to damage the contacts. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing down. Press it firmly into place. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together until they snap securely shut, ensuring there are no gaps. Next, slide the emergency key back into its slot until you hear a click, confirming it is fully seated. Finally, stand near your Chrysler 300 and test the key fob by pressing the lock or unlock buttons to confirm it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.